What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we put together this little thing I wanted to show you guys and all the viewers out there. And here's Mason's stretches.
What did I do?
What did I do? Stop that. I didn't even know those. Okay, come on. I can't do it. Okay. Get to your spot. Get to your spot. Okay, guys, so we're winning in the game, 105 to 103. Here it is. They're dribbling down the 3 ball. Rudy was pushed.